Welcome. I'm Sasha Salama with Equities.com, and I'm joined by the CEO of Immune Pharmaceuticals, Dr. Daniel Tepper. Dr. Tepper, thanks for joining me today. You've got a big announcement about a new round of financing for Immune Pharmaceuticals. It actually represents about half the value of your market cap. Tell me about it.
Well, we just secured up to $21.5 million. $12 million is an equity, preferred equity financing at $2.50, which is a premium from our recent stock price, and another $9 million in two tranches, $4.5 million now, and another $5 million tranche in the next 12 months is debt financing.
Will this financing be dilutive to shareholders?
The combination of preferred equity at a premium and debt allows to minimize shareholder dilution at the current company valuation.
How long will this financing take care of your operating costs?
So this financing covers the next 18 to 24 months of operating costs under our current business plan. So it's the first time that Immune Pharmaceuticals has visibility for such a long time to execute its business plan.
So that's quite significant. Let's talk about how you plan to use these proceeds. For example, for your number one asset, its nickname is BMAB. It treats ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. How will this financing affect that asset's development?
Well, the majority of the funding that we're just receiving will support not only the recently initiated clinical trials for bertolumimab in bullous pemphigoid, that's an orphan indication in dermatology, and as you said, in ulcerative colitis, but will also allow us to expand and explore additional indications such as severe asthma, NASH, and others.
You recently secured an asset to treat both severe eczema and psoriasis. It's a cream. What impact will this financing have on those efforts?
Well, our new drug is a topical formulation of cyclosporine. Cyclosporine is a Novartis drug that reached over $1 billion for treatment of rejection of transplantation, but also psoriasis and severe eczema. For the first time, there's a cream form which will allow to treat patients with moderate eczema as well as moderate psoriasis. So that's quite a breakthrough. So we're planning to take it to the clinic in later 2016, and it could be on the market as early as 2019 or 2020.
How will this new round of financing help the development of NanoMab, which is a drug you have that specializes in the treatment of cancer cells?
So we've been working on NanoMabs in early stages of development. So now we'll be capable of bringing the first NanoMab candidate to the clinic also by the end of 2016.
You're looking for a partner to develop and market it. This financing really buys you some more time, doesn't it, to find the right strategic partner?
Sasha, you're right. In the spring, we guided that we had acquired a new formulation that will allow us to extend the patent life of Amicat until 2036. That's quite significant, and that has attracted a different group of buyers. So we're still in late due diligence and active discussions with those partners, but we want to make sure that we maximize the value of Amicat for the Immune shareholders. We can focus on the development of our core pipeline, and particularly bertolumimab. We recently initiated the 2 phase 2 clinical trials. We expect to have in the next 6 to 18 months several data releases. The first one will be in the orphan indication bullous pemphigoid, and then in mid to late 2016 we'll have ulcerative colitis. We believe also that in the meantime we'll have several data points on the new indication in pilot studies.
So there's lots to watch for in coming months. Thank you so much for joining me. I've been speaking with Dr. Daniel Tepper. He's the CEO of Immune Pharmaceuticals. Thanks for joining me. I'm Sasha Salama with Equities.com.